welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a fun stitch called the Twisted Double Crochet. It's kind of like a crossed double crochet, but it's done a little bit differently, so it has a little bit of a different effect and makes it look like the double crochets are twisted. I think it's really fun. If you've watched any of my videos before, you know I love texture, and I think it really adds a nice little decorative element with some texture to anything that you might be doing. So here's an example of what the Twisted Double Crochet looks like in a project. I've got this blanket pattern that will be coming out here pretty soon that you can see what it looks like in the border when the blanket is complete. But until then, I just wanted to give you this cute little stitch that you can do. It's pretty versatile. You can put it anywhere that you might want a little decorative element or some texture to your project, and I think it's really fun. It's the same height as a double crochet. So anywhere you would put a double crochet, you can do this, and it does require 2 stitches in order to complete the twisted double crochet. So let's just do a couple of these and see what those look like. So I'm already on a double crochet row, and I've already started some of my twisted double crochet. So in order to start this, like I said, you need 2 stitches. So this one's already occupied here. We're going to skip a stitch and go into the next one and do a double crochet. So this is just a normal double crochet after you have skipped a stitch. And you see we have this stitch here that we've skipped. Now we want to go back and get this. But unlike a cross double crochet where you would just go yarn over and go up and get that, we're actually going to do it from behind. So you want to yarn over, move this stitch out of the way. I just move it down. And so I can see where that stitch is that I skipped. See that V right there that I skipped? And I can go ahead and complete my double crochet. Okay? And it kind of looks like they're twisted around each other. So let's do that again. We're going to skip a stitch and go into the next one with a double crochet. Then you want to get into this one, but behind this stitch, right? So we're going to yarn over and go behind. I'm just going to move it out of the way so I can find that the stitch that I skipped. Oops. I'm going to yarn over and complete my double crochet. All right, one more time. Skip one, double crochet into the next. Yarn over, go into the skip stitch behind the one. Okay, and there you go. It's pretty simple, but it's a lot of fun and adds a nice effect. You can do a lot of things with it where you might want to add a different stitch. The other thing I like about it is it can give a little bit of a lacy effect because of the holes that it creates. So I hope you like this. I hope you give it a try and look for my blanket tutorial that I'll have on this one. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for stopping by, and please take a minute to like and subscribe. Thanks, everyone.